In coastal areas where building code requires flood vents that let water in, SmartVent is the answer. SmartVent is an ICC certified, FEMA accepted, engineered flood vent that protects houses and buildings during floods by preventing hydrostatic pressure buildup that can destroy walls and foundations. This mitigation technique, referred to as wet floodproofing, allows floodwater to freely flow through an enclosure such as a crawl space or garage. SmartVent has a solid door and weather stripping that prevents cold or warm, humid outdoor air from entering the building like a typical vent would do. The 2-inch styrofoam core has an R value of 8.34. SmartVent has a latch that remains closed until floodwater is present. Rising floodwater activates the internal floats, which unlatch and opens the door. SmartVent's 3-inch clearance, when open, helps let flood debris pass through, unlike a typical air vent that would clog. The NFIP, National Flood Insurance Program, regulations and building codes require that any residential building constructed in flood zone type A have the lowest floor, including basements, elevated to or above the base flood elevation. SmartVent is patented and made in the USA out of flood-resistant stainless steel construction. There are various models for new construction or retrofit applications, all of which are approved by code officials, surveyors, and the National Flood Insurance Program. SmartVent even offers certified floodplain managers for assisting sales representatives when needed. Installing SmartVents can reduce flood insurance premiums by up to 80% when flood insurance is required.